for the major pairs. Let's look at the charts. Beginning, of course, with euro-dollar. So this is the big picture for euro-dollar. We had it, the pair rising in a channel since the beginning of the year, and then making quite a big move to the upside. But as you can see here, we got stuck at 112.65, 66, and that's the resistance for now, just under the 113 line, which was the swing high on the US elections, okay? And it fell, well, we're now close to support here at 111.80, so this is the current range. High resistance 113.60, lower support 111.20, which was support also back in September. Further support 110.50. Okay, let's continue with the pound. The pound made a nice move above 130, reached resistance there at 130.50, which also coincides with a low point it suffered back in August last year. So the battle for 130 continues. We're currently at 129.73. We had this initial high of 129.80, just under 130 is a pivotal line in the range at the moment. Support 129 and 128.25. Dollar yen reflects this comeback of the US dollar after the big fall. So it's quite interesting what's going on here in the past month or so. We bottomed out at 108.10, reached a high of 114.43, dropped all the way to 110, just above 110. To be precise, we didn't reach 110. Now we're back up. I still look at this line of 111.60, used to be a triple bottom, but resistance here at 112.20, followed by 113, 113.60, and 114.30, the cycle high. Support 110, 108.10. Dollar CAD. So the Canadian dollar is off the highs, but you can see the pattern is an uptrend. So if we talk from bottom to top, the peak of this cycle was 137.90, then it's followed by 137.50, 136.80, which was high support when the pair traded in the high range. 136, not as strong as it used to be. It was a peak back in December, and we're looking now at support 134.60, 133.80, and further below, much lower, 130. The OPEC meeting is left, right, and center. Aussie dollar, also here we made a drop all the way to 73.30, and since then we've bounced back. We had the good news from Australia. So currently 74.60, looking towards support 74.50. Well, we're very close to that. We had this fall earlier today. Further support 73.75, higher resistance 75, 75.20, very close lines, and strong resistance there at 76.10. Kiwi, the battle for 70 continues. So we did reach lower ground. We reached fell below the previous cycle lows, below the previous 2017 lows. So we reached the low there, a trough of 68.15. It's followed by 68.80, 69.60, 70.40. We touched that, but could not go higher. 70.90 and 71.25. Dollar Swiss, the Swiss franc is finally moving a bit, mostly, by the way, reflecting the strength or weakness of the dollar. So basically it's more weakness, but now we're seeing some kind of a bounce back. So 97.53 is the level right now. 97 is support, followed by 96.60, high resistance at 98.20, 99, and of course parity. Not that long ago we traded at 101. Okay, so that's high resistance. So finally waking up in this pair. So okay, this concludes our technical segment for major pairs.